All right, open this cover. There we go. Take a trim tool and underneath here, just pop this lower cover off. Take that off. Take a small punch and you can line it up right here. I'm going to do it on the other side and just punch this rod through. And grab it with some locking pliers and just wiggle this out. And just pull that aside. You have these springs, so remember how these springs go. You can take these new parts and line them up with the old ones. So this is gonna go like this. And this one like this. Take this off. And there's 2 holes where the springs go. Just line those springs up. It's just gonna sit like that. Take the new cover. Just gonna pop this off, line the cover up. This is gonna pop on right here, just like that. And we got a new rod. It's gonna slide in like this. Get the spring lined up. Use a little hammer, tap it in. Make sure all that stuff's lined up while you're hitting that with the hammer. Or you can try pushing it in. There we go. Take this cover, just line it up. And just lock these down. There we go.